Here's a video showing how to use the air conditioning units that you can find in the living room and in the kitchen and in every bedroom. So each bedroom will have its own remote, although you can use the remote from one bedroom on the other bedroom. They're all the same, they all work. So if the battery is low on one of them, you can see the battery level there. You can actually use another one. There's also some batteries in the living room near the TV on that unit. One of the drawers has some spare AAA batteries. Okay, so to switch the air conditioning on, you just press on here like so, and then that should open the machine. Starts, there's a number there, shows you the temperature and some stuff around about the mode. And then what you want to do is that you want the mode to be automatic, because then it's much easier to keep the temperature you want, whether it's heating or cooling. It's the best way to do. It's the easiest to use. Rather than use heat and cold, you just set the temperature you want. You press mode until you have the A for automatic. There we go, A, there we go. And then obviously you can go up and down in the temperature with the arrows. Here, up and down, that's very easy to do. And then the fan speed, it depends when you're using the aircon. I usually have it in automatic, which is when it's sort of like blinking. Can you see? You can, if you press fan speed, it goes the lowest, and then a bit more, 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 until it starts, can you see, sort of like doing it on its own. Sort of, this means it's in automatic mode, and it chooses the fan speed to reach the target temperature, in this case 20 degrees. Okay, now this is the best way to get it to the temperature you want the quickest. Okay, the only thing is that it can make the air conditioning unit make a bit of noise, because it might think that it needs to heat or cool a lot, so it's going to go to the maximum fan speed. Okay, so what we do during the night is that often we put it back onto the lowest mode. So this is the nicest, most silent mode at night. If you want to keep cooling or keep heating during the night, many people choose to just switch it off during the night. So the house sort of keeps the temperature. Obviously depends how cold or how hot it's outside, but it's quite well insulated. If not, just leave it on low, and it's the best, because it makes hardly any noise. The other thing you can notice is that it has light for the temperature. Now, during the night, you can leave it on, and it's easy to get up and find your way to the bathroom if you need to use it during the night. If you don't want it, there's this button here called light off, and if you press it, the light goes off, and that's it. And you can sleep in total darkness if you so wish, because we have blackout curtains, and that's it. We don't need to use absolutely any of the other buttons in the air conditioning unit.